This is part 1 of the video series on problems related to tax. Here we have a problem that says the cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. The tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. Now, since it is asking for the bill amount, it means that this price doesn't include the tax. Okay, we'll have to include the tax on this price. So we can solve this problem in two different ways. Let's take the first way. So the original price is rupees 450. Okay, we have to apply 5% tax, 5% tax on rupees 450. It means that the tax charged will be 5% of rupees 450, and that is equal to 5 by 100 multiplied by 450. If you solve it, we get 22.50. Okay, this is the tax that will be charged on this original price, that is rupees 450. It means that the amount that you or the customer will have to pay will be rupees 450 plus the tax, and the tax is how much? Rupees 22.50. that is rupees 472.50. This is your bill amount that the customer will have to pay after 5% tax. And this 5% tax, actually, that is 22.50, which is being charged on this original price, it goes to the government, right? That is the importance of tax. This charge will go to the government. Okay, and the next way, another way to solve this can be, it's important to discuss every possible way that we can solve this one. So this is second way. Now, your tax is how much? 5%. Your tax is 5%. It means that, by the way, we'll use unitary method to solve this one. Unitary method. Okay, so 5% means what? The tax is 5%. It means that if your original price, your original price is rupees 100, then on this original price rupees 5 will be tax. That's what this 5% tells, that 5 per 100, that is rupees 5 on rupees 100. It means that if your original price is rupees 100, you'll have to pay tax of rupees 5. Therefore, your net price will become, after including tax, rupees 100 plus rupees 5, that is rupees 105. Okay, this tells you that if your tax is 5%, it means that if your original price is rupees 100, the tax charge will be rupees 5. Therefore, net price, that is the new price, will be rupees 105. Okay, so if your original price is rupees 100, then after applying this tax, the customer will have to pay rupees 105, right? Therefore, applying the unitary method, for if your original price is rupees 1, then this is the net price that the customer will have to pay. So if your original price of the item is rupees 1, then the net price that the customer will have to pay will be 105 divided by 100. Therefore, for rupees 450, this is the original price. Here we first assume that if it is rupees 100, and according to the tax 5%, it means that rupees 105 will have to be paid. Therefore, we'll calculate for rupees 1. That's what unitary method is about. And then for rupees 450, if the original price is therefore rupees 450, so the net price that the customer needs to pay is 105 divided by 100 multiplied by 450. Okay, if you solve it, you'll get rupees 472.50. You'll get the same amount as this one. This is the bill amount or the billing amount. Okay, so we have used unitary method in this case. This is the second problem. You bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300, including a tax of 10%. In this price, tax has already been included. Okay, find the price of the air cooler before the tax was added. It means that in this case, it's actually asking for this original price. Like in this problem, this original price was not having this tax price. So here, again, we can solve it by two different methods. The first method or way, whatever you want to say it, the first one is that this is the price that includes the tax, right? Okay, so if we assume that if the original price, that is the price that doesn't include the tax price, if the original price is rupees X, right? Let's assume that the original price is rupees X. Therefore, after applying tax of 10%, so tax of 10% will be applied on this rupees X. So rupees 10% of X, that is the original price of rupees X. It is rupees 10 by 100 multiplied by X. This will be the tax amount, the tax price. Now X, that is the original price that doesn't include the tax, plus this tax, that is 10 by 100 multiplied by X. Okay, let me copy this here. Rupees, this one will be equal to how much? Rupees 3,300. Why? Original price X plus the tax that will be charged on this rupees X, that is 10% of X, will be equal to this, the final amount. From here, if you find out the value of X, you get, this becomes 110X divided by 100, and this is equal to 3,300, and if you solve it, you get X is equal to 3,300 multiplied by 100 and divided by 110, right? So this 0 gone. Now you have 11, so this is 300, and from here you get x is equal to 3000, that is rupees 3000 is the original price that doesn't include the tax amount, right? Now the second method, or the second way, and this will be the unitary method. Unitary method. So this 10% tells you what? The tax is 10%. The tax is 10%. Tax is 10%. It means that here, since this amount already includes your tax, it means that if your tax is 10% and if your original price is rupees 100, then you'll apply 10. If you apply 10% on rupees 100, you get rupees 10. 10% of 100 is what? 10. That is, this is the amount that if your original price is rupees 100, then the tax that you will have to pay is on this rate is rupees 10. It means that the net price will be how much? The net price will be 100 plus 10, that is rupees 110. If your original price is rupees 100 and if the tax that is being applied on this rupees 100 is 10%, it means that the net price will be rupees 110. Therefore, applying the unitary method now, therefore, if your net price is rupees 110, then your original price is rupees 100. This one, right? Therefore, calculate for rupees 1, you get rupees 100 by 110, right? Therefore, for rupees, this one, that is the net price that's here in our question, for rupees 3300, your original price will be, this is original price. Remember, this portion is for original price. So for rupees 3300, your original price will be rupees 100 divided by 110 multiplied by 3300. This is exactly same to this one, that is 100 multiplied by 3300 divided by 110. If you solve it, it's exactly the same for this one. You get rupees 3000. So this rupees 3000 is the original price that doesn't include this 10% tax. Okay. Here we have last problem, and it says you bought an article for rupees 784 which included a tax of 12%. What is the price of the article before the tax was added? It's exactly the same to this problem. Here the net price of the article including this 12% tax is how much? 784. So the first way is, let's assume that your original price is rupees X. So if you apply tax of 12%, so 12% of X, that is 12 by 100 multiplied by x, so you get 12x 100 by 100, right? So x plus 12x by 100, this is equal to original price plus the tax amount is equal to rupees 784. Now if you solve for this x, from here you get rupees 112x divided by 100, this is equal to 784 rupees 784. From here if you solve for x, you get rupees x is equal to rupees 784 multiplied by 100 divided by 112, right? So this is 7 times of 112, and from here you get rupees x is equal to rupees 700. That is your original price that doesn't include this tax amount is actually what? Rupees 700. Now the next method, that is the unitary method. So the tax that is being charged is 12%. It tells you what? It tells you that if your original price is rupees 100, then the tax that will be charged on this original price will be rupees 12. So your net price will become rupees 100 plus rupees 12, that is rupees 112. Okay, it means that it tells us that if our net price is rupees 112, then in that case the original price is this one, that is rupees 100, and therefore if you calculate for rupees 1, so this becomes rupees 112. Therefore for rupees, this one that's already given to us, rupees 784, you get rupees 100 by 112 multiplied by 784, exactly to this one. So if you solve it, you get 7 here, and if you solve it, you get rupees 700. So this is the amount that doesn't include this tax amount of rupees 12 of that is being charged at 12%. So rupees 700 is the original price of this article.